We are going to lifeboat for third officer's monthly inspection of lifeboat and its equipment.
Bridge coming?
It's always a good idea to carry a radio when you're going into the lifeboat and also inform bridge.
Yes sir, myself and Captain entering lifeboat.
So that the door is clear. Also remove the charging plug for the lifeboat batteries. For launching this lifeboat, you have to remove these harbor pins. It's very easy. It's secured with a safety pin. So you take this one out and you pull this down. There is one more lashing down. This one. So now we'll make an entry into the lifeboat and see what's inside. Once the lifeboat door is open, you ensure to secure it in open position.
Before lowering lifeboat, we have to remove securing pins. Show you. These are the securing pins. We have to just remove this first and then remove this one. After that, we have to check the bottom plugs. Bottom plugs should be plugged always before lowering. When we are lowering lifeboat, then first we have to lower lifeboat till deck level. Then we can lower lifeboat by two process. One by inside. This is self-lowering method. We can just trigger this down, then our lifeboat will automatically go down. Another method is we can manually from down below, winchman can lower lifeboat till water level. Once our lifeboat is lowered up to water level, then we'll go to this lever, hydrostatic lever. We'll take out this pin, and when our lifeboat is in water or is waterborne, then we'll trigger that lever to back position. At that time this hooks will release automatically. And there is one more method, waterborne. Then due to hydrostatic pressure, our releasing system will be activated. These are the two methods for lifeboat releasing. Lifeboat panel. This is our steering, from where we will steer our lifeboat when we maneuver it on water. In case our main steering is not working, manual steering position, and we can steer from here. This is our emergency steering for lifeboat. For starting, we have to just preheat first. We have to put this lever to preheat. After 5 or 10 seconds, we have to put this on start. Our lifeboat engine will start. For engine movement, we have to pull this, press this, and give. This is full air. Then this is neutral. Then for stern, this is full stern. Every time during monthly inspection, we'll compare this magnetic heading to the ship's heading, allow for this difference. And this is our air supply system for lifeboat. We have 3 cylinders. This air supply is for 10 minutes. This is in case of an emergency, we'll use this system. Like if there is fire in water due to oil, sufficient air for 10 minutes so that we can move out from the danger.
Tie painters forward and aft which keep the lifeboat alongside ship while we are lowering. So that releasing painter is done by pulling onto this tab. We have this hacks given on the forward and aft side of the lifeboat for cutting painters or for cutting anything else which is stuck. Look at the lifeboat equipments. Here we can see a radar reflector. Then we have a first aid kit. We have 6 pieces hand flare. We have 2 pieces smoke float and 4 pieces of rocket parachute flare, which will be used as a distress signal. When we see somebody in vicinity who is coming to rescue us, we will fire all these things to attract attention. We have some anti-seasick tablets, thermal protective suits which will keep us warm inside the lifeboat, and we also have water and food which is sufficient for surviving. Food ration 10,000 kilojoule per person. Water is 3 liters of drinking water per person. For survival out at sea, we have these instruction manual which we can refer to and which will guide us in ways how to use these equipments and how to survive out at sea for many days. Some quoits which will help us to grab people fallen in water or to tie our life rafts along with lifeboats. We have some spare battery, torches to be for use in the night. We have been provided with two batteries for starting the lifeboat engine, battery 1 and battery 2. In case the power is less in any one of them, then we can always connect both batteries in line, and these batteries are kept here.